The base seal is located at the bottom of the injector and needs to be regularly cleaned or replaced because it will accumulate residual contamination from samples. Tools and materials required: 1/4 inch wrench, 7/16 inch socket wrench, base seal, washer, powder-free gloves, and sonicator. Cool down front injector temperature by clicking on the maintenance icon. Change the front injector to yes and click on Begin Cool Down. Go back to the home screen. Click Instrument Control. Select Front Inlet. Then set column flow to off. Wait for the injector temperature to reach room temperature. Open the oven door and disconnect the column from the injector. This demo is for when the analytical column is not connected to the transfer line. When ISQ is under vacuum and the column is connected to the transfer line, you need to block the end of the column by inserting it into the flow meter connector to prevent air from entering the MS. Using the socket wrench, turn the retaining nut counterclockwise to loosen. Remove the base seal and washer out of the retaining nut. Sonicate or replace the base seal. Always replace the washer with a new one. Place it into the retaining nut first, and then place the base seal incorrectly according to demo. Hand tighten the retaining nut first, and then finish tightening with the wrench. Reconnect the column to the injector. Please refer to the procedure in the column installation video if needed.